HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301sdw. Wireless all-in-one color laser printer, scanner, copier, best for office for 99Q3F. Brand HP. Connectivity technology USB. Printing technology laser. Special feature auto duplex. Color white. Model name 3301sdw. Printer output color. Maximum print speed color 30. Max print speed monochrome 30. Item weight 37.7 pounds. From America's most trusted printer brand. Perfect for small teams printing, scanning, and copying professional quality color documents and reports. Print speeds up to 26 ppm black, color. Professional productivity, proficiency with every print. Next generation to LaserJet toner brings your business to life with more vivid colors. Original HP toner cartridges. This HP printer uses original HP 218A, standard and 218X. High-yield LaserJet toner cartridges. Upgraded features fast color printing, scan, copy, auto two-sided printing, auto document feeder, and a 250-sheet input tray. Award-winning reliability, performance you can count on page after page, and always ready for the high demands of business. Wireless printing. Stay connected with dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset, which automatically detects and resolves connection issues. Protects your data built-in. HP Valve Pro Security uses a powerful suite of customizable tools that boost security and helps keep networks protected against cyber threats and malware. HP APP print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone with the easiest-to-use print app. Sustainable design. Decrease your carbon footprint with a printer and toner cartridges. Built to reduce plastic use and energy consumption. The 3301sdw is Energy Star and EPI certified. Recycle your toner cartridges at a Staples store near you.